Cultivation may be limited by the boundaries of the farming operation. However, FEED believes that the market for the farm products has no boundaries. Namaste. Krishi or agriculture in India started with the Indus Valley civilization and is known to exist since 9000 BC. Since then, agriculture played a vital role and is stepping towards digital agriculture. With consistent efforts in the agriculture sector, let's all make our farmers feed the whole world and prove to them that agriculture always wins. Come, join hands with FEED in making the concept of Krishi Yeva Jayate true. Farm to Foreign Exports Entrepreneurship Development Multi-State Cooperative Society Limited, in short called FEED. Indian government has set an overall target of increasing the agriculture and allied exports to $60 billion to reach the goal of doubling farmers' income. The agri-export policy is also aimed at doubling the agricultural exports and integrating Indian farmers and agricultural products with global value chains. In order to envisage the idea of doubling farmers' income by connecting them to the global value chains, FEED entrusted itself as Farm to Foreign, aims to connect the farm produce to global markets, exports entrepreneurship development, build the exports entrepreneurship in Indian farmers, traders, MSME, and new entrepreneurs, multi-state cooperative society, to work pan-India. FEED is a multi-state cooperative society registered under MSCS Act, 2002. It is the first of its kind export-based multi-state cooperative society working for the upliftment of exports from all corners of India by providing free technical software named FEED Startup to support farmers, new entrepreneurs and MSMEs from rural and semi-urban areas to sell their products in the global market by providing end-to-end service to product-based farmer-producer organizations, FPOs, and conducting export promotional meetings in all potential districts of India. That's where FEED was initiated, to reach the government's vision of doubling farmers' income, to enhance the agri-exports from farmers and MSMEs, to develop international standard agri-marketing infrastructure, to develop export entrepreneurship in new entrepreneurs, to provide end-to-end support to FPOs for global market and self-sustainability. Let us see the current scenario of Indian agri-exports. India is one of the fastest developing economies in the world. The GDP contribution of 18.8% share from the agriculture and allied sector remains higher than the world average, 10.23%. With over 100 million farmers, India stands in second place in global agricultural production of several agricultural commodities. As per the latest statistics, agricultural exports from India reached 50.24 billion in financial year 2021-22, marking a remarkable growth of 17.66%. However, on the other side of the coin, data from FAO suggests India has $97.02 billion worth of untapped export potential across 19 agro-commodities. As per the HLEG report, there are 5 critical challenges, which contribute to India's relatively low rank among global agriculture exporters, namely, low productivity and high logistics costs, limited value addition, export promotion and branding challenges, non-tariff barriers, quality issues. However, with the initiatives taken by various ministries under the central government, our country is trying to overcome the aforesaid challenges. Effective action at multiple levels of the agri-ecosystem will help India reach the $100 billion milestone in agri-exports in the next few years and makes us stand as one of the top food exporters by 2030. Feed is taking tiny steps towards building India as the top agri-exporter by marking its footprint. Feed, the first of its kind multi-state cooperative society, works for the uplift of exports from all corners of India. We provide crucial technical software and social platform connecting farmers, traders, MSME industries and new entrepreneurs in rural and semi-urban areas with international markets, export promotional councils, central and state governments, banks and financial institutes, ports, by organizing exports promotional meetings, forming FPOs, product-wise, and supporting the FPOs with technical information and support on processing export orders. Feed's technical software platform is named as Startup, which stands for Sophisticated Technology for Accountability and Responsive Trading Unique Platform. Through our Feed Startup platform, we extend our services to various segments involved in the agri-value chain, for existing and new FPOs to become accountable and self-sustainable, for a farmer to experience a one-stop solution for his produce, for startup businesses, MSME to run their operations with ease, for an exporter to avail end-to-end export service, for students to promote exports entrepreneurship development, for CBBOs to easily manage and promote FPOs, for packs to migrate into Apna Kisan centers, multi-service centers. Our Feed Startup software is a secure, simplified, user-friendly platform which can be used right from the farmers to the entrepreneurs to manage their operations and business with ease. On completion of 75 years of independence, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji called for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and vision to make India as a developed nation by 2047 as the country completes 100 years of independence. At Feed, we believe that vision turns into a dream if the time and resources are underutilized. Feed utilized the opportunity to spread the essence behind Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and the vision of India to become a developed nation by 2047 by conducting a yatra named India at 75, Feed Yatra. India at 75 Feed Yatra started on August 15, 2022 and ended on January 26, 2023, spanning 164 days across 22 states covering 15,000 kilometers. Through India at 75 Feed Yatra, we covered all the segments of people involved in the agri-value chain process, along with the central and state government bodies by emphasizing the themes of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and the central government initiatives. In this technology-paced world, we truly believe that our Astra to reap the benefits of the seeds sown by the Government of India. For enhancement of agri-exports as our Feed Startup services, which is given totally free for all those involved in the agri-value chain along with the state and central government. And thus, turn the caption Krishi Yeva Jayathe into reality. Mission Feed or Mission Farmers Income Doubling indicates that Feed targeted to make the farmers from 100 districts export the 100 agri and allied products. The products targeted to export fall under the category of ODOP product or the products classified under agri-export clusters or the agri-export zones by central government. Feed targeted to achieve the Mission Feed by August 15, 2024. How are we going to achieve the target? Through the India at 75 Feed Yatra, which covered 22 states, we made an in-depth study of ground reality by meeting around 20 categories involved in the agri-export ecosystem. We got insights into various products across 22 states and made a plan to reach the untapped potentiality of several agri-commodities. With the support of state governments, we conduct export promotional meetings in the selected 100 districts. We make them understand that their produce is worth $1 billion when produced under good agricultural practices. We try to understand the problems faced at the ground level and get them resolved with the officials. We motivate them to initiate agri-exports, by providing end-to-end support throughout the export process, right from the buyer selection to sending the consignment through feed startup services. We widespread the success stories of farmers from 100 districts exporting 100 products to the rest of the farmers and FPOs throughout the country. We prove that exports are not just a cup of tea for entrepreneurs, rather it is more inclined to agripreneurs through feed startup services and export promotional meetings. Feed plays an active role in building global standard agri-marketing infrastructure through its subsidiaries. We form an SPV, involving the FPOs, financial agencies, and state and central governments, and thus establish the agri-export infrastructure which is in line with the global quality standards. By building the agri-infrastructure, we incline the farm products as per the global standards, now only at the farm level but also at the processing level. We thus enhance the exports of value-added products from India and promote employment to rural youth, and that's where we live the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Feed, through its unique software platform Feed Startup, provides services that handles various aspects of the FPOs. Right from the managerial issues to the marketing opportunities, we provide hand-holding support till the FPOs attain self-sustainability. There is a dedicated tab in our Feed Startup software called My FPO, which promotes accountability and scalability of the FPO by adhering to the accounts, compliances, and registrations of the FPO. Operational and financial sustainability by adhering to business plans, information on loans and schemes, and capacity building to board members of FPO. Transparency by adhering to AGM and board meetings and generation of reports. There is a dedicated FPO department which takes care of the field operations. The broad functions of the Feed FPO department include categorizing the FPOs stage-wise based on their business initiation, assess the capital requirements and financial viability, prepare the business plans and connect them to the state and central schemes and loans as per their eligibility for credit support, provide capacity building training to the board and CEO of FPO on good management practices to run the FPO, provide support and exposure to various marketing options with a special focus on exports. Feed creates an impact by promoting the self-sustainability of the FPOs and thereby pledging to the goal of promoting agri-exports from FPOs. As the name, Farm to Foreign Exports Entrepreneurship Development, suggests, we develop export entrepreneurship among the farmers, FPOs, new entrepreneurs, students and unemployed youth. The goal of export promotional meetings is to build awareness on exports, its potentiality and procedure. We also have a dedicated tab in Feed Startup software called My Education, which imparts knowledge on various dimensions such as international trade, advantages and hindrances of agri-exports. Through the development of exports entrepreneurship, we tend to achieve Atmanirbharta among the farmers, MSMEs, entrepreneurs, students and youth. Feed aims to make a considerable impact on the achievement of a $5 trillion economy involving the farmers, FPOs, MSMEs, entrepreneurs, students and youth as the beneficiaries. Jai Hind.